Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful morning, and of course in today's video we will be checking out how we can make up to $200 on daily basis or today. Okay, and whenever we come up with a training section like this, I realize that we usually make more than $200 on that day. Most of my subscribers usually make more than $200 on that day, and that is why I keep this coming up on weekly basis, okay, so that they can have the opportunity to analyze the market with me and trade with me. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, and of course we will be doing that again together today. And guys, we'll be doing that quickly, but before we do that, for those of you on the Telegram channel, remember the trading activities is already going on, and you already I've been seeing your trading results, and of course all thanks to this smart indicator, which is really doing very well, giving you the necessary information, because this is what we're using on the Telegram channel. Okay, so I will join you in the next 1 hour to follow up with today's trading activities. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have today using the 3M Train Milker trading tool. Okay, so guys, I will be checking out what the market is giving to us, and of course analyze the market together and see how we can make some good amount of profit with this particular asset. Okay, on the on small time frame, which is 5 minutes. It's going to be 5-minute time frame. Okay, so this is very important, so stay tuned. If you want to make up to $200 or even above it, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my others on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies shared, and of course do your own personal practice. Okay, you need to practice and perfect a trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this? Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So okay, I will be starting with boom 1000, and I will be on 5-minute time frame. And of course this is the 3M Train Milker trading indicator that I'm using right here, and of course we're going to see what the market is giving to us. This has been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. Like I've always been telling you, the first thing you should look out for whenever you're trading is the trend of the market. Okay, once you understand the trend of the market, it will help you to know the direction you should focus on. Okay, so you can see this has been on downtrend for a very long time, but it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from there, so we had this buy signal. Remember, it also got there around here, and it also gave us another buy signal around there. Okay, so we don't know if it will be able to break out above this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will definitely buy more, but if it does not, we are most likely to have another sell signal going down. Okay, so this is very important. So the next thing we should look out for is for it to break out above this resistance zone, and once it breaks out above there, and of course definitely it's going to buy more. Okay, it's going to buy more, and we expect it to get to this region, and of course also breaks out above there. Once it breaks out above there, then we are expecting it to get to this region, okay, on buy trend. Okay, so this is very important. But if it's unable to break out above this, then it's going to sell, and may likely sell below the support zone. Okay, so this is very important, so you guys should take note of that. Okay, so you should know where to put your TP. Right now it is buying. It will get to this region first. If it breaks out above this, may likely get this. If it breaks out above this, definitely it may likely get to this. Okay, so this is very important, so you should take note of that and be on the lookout. But if it's unable to break out above this, then definitely we are most likely to have a downtrend, and it's going to sell for long. Okay, so this is very important. Now let's move on to boom 500. Okay, let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. Boom 500 has been slow in terms of movement, but okay, it's been more of uptrend than a downtrend at the beginning, and of course played around there for a very long time before breaking out above it to get to this resistance zone. Okay, it was unable to break out above the resistance zone, so it came down, and you can see it's playing around here. It has not been able to break out below the support zone, and of course it's also trying to move up, and of course if it breaks out above this resistance zone also, then it may likely try out this particular resistance zone again. Okay, so this is very, very important, but if it's unable to break out from here, it will come down again to try out this support zone, and if it breaks out below this support zone, then we expect it also to get to this region. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, we expect it to get to this region, and of course if it breaks out below that, then it should get to somewhere here. Okay, sorry about that. It should get to somewhere here. Okay, so somewhere here. Okay, so, and of course guys, if it breaks out below that, then definitely we expect it to get to this part, to this last part. Okay, so this is very, very important, so you guys should take note of that and use it to milk the market today. Okay, now let's move on guys, let's move on to crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 had a big crash right from this resistance zone. You can see that. Okay, it started from here, and of course kept on crashing till it got to this support zone. So it started an upward movement right from there, even though it has been playing around between this resistance zone and support zone. Okay, so trying to see if it will break out above any one of them. Okay, so you can see it right from there. If it breaks out below, then definitely it's coming down to the support zone again. Okay, and to see if it will be able to break out from there, but if it does not, it will go back into a buy trend. So if it breaks out above it, which is most likely to happen, okay, then definitely it will keep on buying, and of course may try out this TP area. Okay, so if it breaks out above this TP area, then definitely it will keep on buying again, and it may likely get to this region also. Okay, and of course if it breaks out above that, then definitely we expect it to get to this region. Okay, so the movement of the market is a bit slow this morning, and of course that is why we are having some conditional trade pattern right here, and of course you just need to understand all this. Okay, so if the market is ranging like this, it means there are some forces at the top and below it that is making it to play around there, so it has not been able to break out either above or below it. So you need that to, we need to be sure if that will happen. Okay, so once it happens, it will help us to know where to focus on. Okay, so this is very, very important. So the last one we will be checking out is going to be CR500. This actually went on downtrend right from this resistance zone, and of course got to this support zone, was unable to go below it, so it started a buy trend right from there. You can see it buying up till it got to that same resistance zone again. Okay, and of course it's might be trying it out again to see if it will be able to break out from there, but if it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will definitely go back on downtrend. Okay, so we are most likely to have it selling till it gets to this point. Okay, and of course once it breaks out from there, then we should be expecting it to get to this region, and once it breaks out from there guys, then we also expect it to sell till it gets to this region also. Okay, and of course after that, okay, we now expect it to get to somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so just take note of all the highlighted areas just for you to know what you should focus on. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with today. Okay, so all you just need to do is just for you to make sure you understand every bit about it and put it into practice. Make sure you follow up with the trading activities so that you can always be in profit all the time. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you called Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.